Sure would help if we could get more rain around here, fill some of these lakes.
Solve a lot of problems.
It really would.
Well, we are hoping that El Nino we've been talking about for so long will make an impact on our rainfall totals this coming fall through the winter, which is the period typically when El Ninos, they deliver for us. So we'll keep your fingers crossed. That La Nina sure acted like it was supposed to, drying us out so much. If the El Nino will do the opposite, we will be in good shape by spring. Downtown Austin right now, it is hot. It is 103 degrees. Skies are mostly clear and sunny. Our evening planning forecast, 95 degrees at 8 p.m. At 10 p.m. tonight, we're still very near 90 under a clear sky. Out in the hill country right now, it's 102 in Llano. Look at those 100-degree readings from Lampasas all the way down to Marble Falls. Some 99s in Blanco County. Gillespie County Airport coming in at 96 degrees. And in the metro area, everybody is 100 degrees, looks like, except for Georgetown at 99. Cedar Park is actually still at 103, just like Camp Mabry. Off to the east, some upper 90s, 97 in Giddings, but 100 degrees across Caldwell County and 100 degrees across Milam County. 103 in the city with a mostly clear sky. Out at the airport right now, it is mostly clear and right at 100. But the relative humidity, I don't know if you noticed that there was only 21%, so it is relatively dry. Don't have a real high heat index value, so it could be worse. Winds are variable at 7 in town. At the airport, they are blowing out of the south-southeast at 13 miles per hour. Our sunset tonight is at 12 minutes until 8 p.m. In the mold count today, it was down a little bit. 1,042 is still high. Ragweed at 71 medium, and fall elm is in the low category at 37. Around our state, we're not alone. We're all suffering together. 105 in Laredo, 103 in San Angelo, 102 in Dallas. Oklahoma City even coming in at 103 degrees. Why is that? You know the story in the summertime. When you've got the blue H on top of you, high pressure, sinking air, you're going to be real hot in June, July, August, or September, and that is certainly the case here today. And that's not going to change for the next couple of days. That ridge is going to sit on us. We're going to be at least 100 tomorrow. We're going to be at least 100 Thursday. We're going to be at least 100 Friday. But then a cold front approaching from the north should sweep on through here, we think, maybe as early as Saturday morning. We are hopeful that we will drop at least 10 degrees, and even more hopeful that the front might actually give us some rain showers. Remains to be seen, but there's at least a 30% chance. It's still raining down here in Florida and Alabama and parts of Mississippi from Isaac. You remember Isaac went up through Louisiana, went up to Illinois. It's done a loop now. It's back down here in Alabama. Flash flood watches in effect, up to 3 inches of rain from the remnants of that storm. We have 2 more storms out here, too. Leslie, the tropical storm, 500 miles south-southeast of Bermuda. Tropical storm Michael over here, real small system. It's going to move to the north, so we're not going to worry too much about Michael. Leslie, on the other hand, a very slow mover, moving only a few miles per hour right now, but will pick up some steam by the weekend. And look at there. Potential of a Category 2 hurricane very near, if not to over Bermuda, over the weekend, but that storm will stay away from the United States. Tonight, 70s. Tomorrow, 100s again. In Austin overnight, our low temperature down to about 76 with some late night low clouds. Let's go 101 tomorrow, and I may be too optimistic there. It may be hotter than that. 102 on Thursday, 103 on Friday ahead of that front coming in. But once it gets here, we'll feel the difference. Hopefully a 10-degree temperature drop or more. It's possible we might not get out of the 80s on Sunday, but our only chance of rain with this front looks like it's going to be on Saturday.